Self-promo, this video is an excerpt of a full tutorial, little video course you can find on portraitartacademy.com. Yes, just one video course. No, there are many videos there.
It is a good online academy. I highly recommend it.
Okay, me too then. I recommend it too. Thank you.
Yeah, it's tricky. You don't want to make the face too round, but you don't want to make it like at an angle, because that would make it a bit more like tough looking or masculine, right? Or I don't know, like this the strong jawline or the chin or something, and smooth and round is a bit more feminine. At least that's how we perceive it. I would think so in our culture. I mean, it's the past decade or so, maybe less, because there's been a lot of movements that confuse gender roles and stuff, or they just try to be more tolerant. And so you could agree with that or not. I'm not going to tell you what to believe. Yeah, I said something political in one of my video courses on one of the platforms online. Just one comment, and she gave the whole video course a 1-star review because she didn't agree with that one thing I said. I'm like, well, wow, you're so sensitive, man. Like, I know it is, some of these things are sensitive topics, but that doesn't mean the rest of the course wasn't valuable. Come on. But yeah, it's very sensitive, politics. Anyway, so let's, yeah, this line really stands out, huh? So let's emphasize that a bit more. I'm really trying not to touch anything here in the face. And then there's a few that stand out over here too, but there's a lot of dark going on here. There's some dark going on over here too, but yeah, you can see that it's starting to take shape here. It's just a lot of work. It's just not very complicated. It's just a lot of work. You just have to occasionally look over and say, oh yeah, it kind of goes like this, to find the main areas. At the end of the day, nobody really cares about her hair as much as her face, you know? So, and by that I mean not that her face cares, but people don't care about her hair as much as they care about her face.